We're at Turkey Knob Farm and we're getting ready to go pick out our Christmas tree. We've done this every year since before you all were born.
Since Maddie was like 5.
Since Maddie was 5, which is when we got together. Did you pick out a Christmas tree before that, a real tree?
Mm-mm.
No?
We started doing it
So we
Maddie
started the tradition with Maddie?
Like
Aww.
16 years ago.
Yeah. And so when we first started, there was an elderly man that ran a Christmas tree farm, and he got too old and couldn't take care of it anymore, and his family didn't want to take it over. So we were pretty bummed about that because we really enjoyed it. It was like fields of Christmas trees that we could literally go pick ourselves and cut down ourselves. But we've been coming here the last, well, since Gavin was little,
yeah,
I guess. Yep. And we really like it out here. They have farm animals that the kids can play with and feed, and they have a nice little cute Christmas gift shop and homemade jams and jellies and things like that. So we always have a good time coming out here. So we thought we would bring you guys along with us today.
What are you getting? What are you getting? Got ideas. Where's this boy? Oh, there's another one.
Mal, kiss the pig.
I don't think so. Maybe the pony.
Kiss the pony.
Oh, he's trying to get you.
Oh, man. You can't eat me. No, you can't. You can't eat me.
Are you smaller box down here? Dylan, he's trying to eat.
You're trying to eat me. You're
Hot sauce.
I better not.
Yeah.
Them things are huge. I think it would fit. I don't know how we'd get it through the door.
This one's nice and full.
Yeah, it's not tall.
We don't want to like have to cut half the tree.
If we just got to cut like the big, that long thing off the tip, that'd be fine.
Yeah.
And we can trim some of this stuff off, the ends, so it's not as big around.
Yeah, but not too bad.
I wonder if they're all for sale. That one's really full. Look at that one.
Yeah.
Oh, tall.
We always get a tall tree though.
We got 10-foot ceilings, don't we?
Yeah.
We built a house with 10-foot ceilings for a reason, for Christmas.
We're the biggest Christmas tree ever.
You like this one?
Yeah. Yeah, I got the tip
It's
off.
the all the way in the back corner.
Yeah. See, I got the tip off maybe.
Pretty full.
Yeah.
That's pretty tall too.
Yeah, I got the
It's
tip off. a
very
little
tall.
bit. Yeah, you gotta cut the tip off. Just a little bit.
What do you think so far?
This one.
I'm cold.
This one.
There's a lot to choose.
Lots of big crown.
I like this one.
Yeah.
All right, is this the one?
This is the one.
Right.
I don't know how we're gonna cut it. I don't know how we're gonna get it in the house.
So thick.
Find a spot you can lay down.
Probably right here.
Lay down. Where you lay on your right side, where your right hand's going to be under there. Yep. Now, start as far over there as you can and just pull this towards you. And then I can go on the other side and grab the back side of the handle so we can just pull back and forth. Try to cut it as straight as possible. Yeah, like that, and I'll pull it toward you.
Oh, that's hard.
You mean go on the other side and we can pull back and forth?
Yeah. You wanna help, Dylan?
Well, yeah.
Okay, get down there with Bubby. Or Daddy.
Here, go a little farther. Oh, yeah, it's coming.
I got it.
There it comes. Here it comes.
Watch out, D.
I don't want to lay on this little piece.
Let's not move the tree down. Don't move this table down.
Well,
Alright.
that's just...
You're going to have to go hard. Alright. Now we're going to stand your end up.
Alright, slide.
So push it toward me and your brother.
Don't let it land on you, though.
It won't land on.
Got it? It's rubbing the ceiling.
It's way too tall.
Yeah, I'd rather cut that big thingy off.
Yeah, there was one on the side.
Take two. out with us. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel.